not make a decision on this until the Nevada Court of Appeals or Supreme Court has made a determination.
So the awarding is not official yet. The award, the result of the awarding of the house is not official yet.
Yes, so that's what we're saying, because we've appealed within our time that there should not be anything that the court does at this time until a determination is made.
From the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let me see if I have the funds available, attorney, because I just went there. I paid the remaining $1,500 that you.
Yeah, I know you paid that already. So look and see, but you have the information from us about the fact that there's an appeal. It's filed, the case number, all of that stuff. And then if you want us to go, then Corey will go and he can make all those arguments for you at the North Las Vegas court.
All right. Because I wanna know what I can provide to the courts if I cannot afford this kind of payment.
Yeah, I mean, I would just give them something, even if it's just the notice of appeal, or just you can show them just anything of the stuff that we've sent you that has been filed with the Nevada Supreme Court on the appeal, and specifically the fact that the issue of the house is the main thing that's up. And the fact that, I mean, even in his complaint, he straight up said you could have the house. In your document, you said you want the house, and then she gave it to him without giving you anything. So it's just ridiculous. So
yes, I have the evidence. Did you received it, right? I have the evidence. He agreed that he doesn't have.
I know that, but that's new evidence. Remember, with our appeal, we can't do.
No, ma'am. No, attorney. I gave it to my previous attorney. That's exactly why I feel terrible. Because
yes, but remember, for the appeal, what we're doing is saying that based on what was presented, why it was wrong. So when we go do a new trial, we get to present that. But for right now, we're saying even without that, when you guys both filed, you filed your complaint, he filed his answer and counterclaim, and his document, he put that the house should go to you. So even in his court pleadings before the trial, he said that you should get to keep the house. So we already have that stuff on file. So remember, for the appeal, I can only go with what is on file. Later, when it gets remanded down, if they overturn it and let us have a new trial, then yes, we're presenting all of that stuff because you weren't allowed to before.
Ma'am, attorney, when did he say that? Because I didn't see his financial disclosure form. That's actually why.
It wasn't in his financial disclosure forms. It was, hold on, let me try to. Oh, and by the way, thank you for the
the lumpia, of course.
I went to send you an email and then I didn't hit send.
It's okay. No problem. Thank you. Appreciate that.
It was good. I was like, next time I have a party, my mother-in-law used to always make it for all of the birthday parties that we would do. I have to go pull it from.
You see?
But she always had to do beef because my husband won't eat pork.
Oh, I see. Yes, I have salmon, I have vegetarian, I have all kinds of flavors. Yes, ma'am. And
I know. I was like, you gotta like everything.
Yes,
honestly, I'm the weird person that they all laugh at me, but I like lumpia. It's good, but I love pancit.
Oh, well, that's next level for me. I think I cannot do it perfectly yet, but I'm learning. I'm trying to learn it, and then maybe
I can't do it at all. My mother-in-law makes it for me, or I go to the Fiesta Filipina.
Yes, but at attorney, me and my kids, we're really trying to feel better. I've been doing a lot of work on my end, the business, and then some sidelines. I do cleaning, Airbnb, DoorDash, whatever I can earn money from.
Keep you busy, get you some money. All right, so I found where it is. So on his answer and counterclaim that he filed back on August 5th, 2021, when you get to page 2 under community property, he says the community property should be divided as follows. Plaintiff, which is you, should get the 4008 Smoky Fog Avenue, Unit 102, parcel number, whatever. And then number 2 is the 2018 Ford Focus. And then for himself, It's just like 4 guns and the ammunition. And then he also says you should be responsible for, you know, the loan on your car and the mortgage, and that he should be responsible for the Subaru account. So he says you should have got the house in this paper. So that's what I'm telling the court, is that he filed something with the court asking that she be awarded the house. Nothing else was ever filed asking for anything else. Mm-hmm. And the court unilaterally gave it to him without doing the MALQUEST, which is in violation of Nevada law. So that's what we're focusing on now, because I have to show them a specific page in the like transcripts and everything to prove everything. So we've got all of that part done. We're finalizing our arguments. But then once it goes down to trial, then we can not only show this, we can also show the like text messages and everything else, and be able to lay everything out in front of the judge.
Thank you. Attorney, could you please send that to me so I can print it and then present it on Tuesday?
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna make sure to download it before I.
Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Thank you. And then open.
You see, he's getting away with a lot. It's not fair.
Well, and the fact too that you know, he's claiming that he's about to go into foreclosure, but he told the court in your divorce that he was not behind.
Yes, and then he still have outstanding balances. That's why it's like he didn't mention about the administrative charges. Why would the military charge him with that if he was truthful? If they didn't find, because I provided evidence of the foreclosure notices, the outstanding balances to them, and then he kept on lying that he keeps on paying them on time, and then maybe they did their thorough investigation on that matter. That's why they decided to charge him with administrative charges.
Yeah. So I just Okay. So I just am attaching it right now. Alright, I just hit send, so I didn't type anything in the message, so it's just a reply to your last email again, and it just has an attachment. So you'll see on page 2 when he says who should get what, he says plaintiff, which is you, should get the house and your car, and that he should get the guns.
Yes, thank you, attorney. I will be printing this, and yes, thank you so much. This will be a huge help on my end on Tuesday, at least. You know, I have some proof that he's not truthful to his claims.
Yeah, and the biggest thing is just telling them that because there's an appeal pending that addresses who's entitled to the house, evicting you and leaving you and your children homeless would be premature based on the circumstances.
Yes, ma'am. That's actually why I'm so confused. I have 2 kids, and he's making money out of me and my kids from the military with the dependents pay. He didn't even mention that he's getting dependents pay, $1,299 per month.
Now he's not. So for the eviction, that wouldn't go into play because you guys aren't his dependents since the divorce went through. So.
Yeah, but I was legally married to him since 2019 up to the May of 2023 on the divorce. I should have part on that because the military is giving him a lot of extra payment because we were legally married.
Yeah, but that stops as soon as that decree. So for the eviction purposes, you just need to focus on the fact that you have appealed that he already said you should get the house. Mm-hmm. The court made a mistake and gave him the house, and did so without following Nevada law with MALQUEST. So the court should not make any determination until the Supreme Court has made its ruling.
Thank you so much. You know, you're very well said. I cannot possibly say that on my own. Thank you so much, attorney. And yes, I'll.
Yep, no problem. Just look for that document and make sure to bring it with you when you go into court. So just in case you want to show them that, okay?
I will be showing this. Thank you so much. God bless you, attorney.
No problem.
All right, have a good one. Have a good day. Thank you for talking, taking the time to talk to you. Thank you.
No problem. Bye bye.
Bye. And then this one, I can present this, right?